Hello everyone, this is Aditi and we are doing a 10-minute hip mobility session today, which will be helpful for the people having hip pain, sciatica issue or hip tightness. So without further ado, let's begin. First, let's come into a seated position wherein we are going to put our forearms on the ground and take one leg in, out, and then make a circle. If you are feeling any popping sound coming from your hip flexor, then try to take this knee more down and you will notice that the sound is coming slightly less. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's change the direction 10 times. If you are feeling strain on the neck or shoulders, you can take your head down like this. Last 3, 2, and 1. Let's change the leg now. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now open up your legs. This area should be widely open while doing this. If you keep closed, then the angle will not be correct. Okay. So open up your legs and either you can do it with support or without support. Drop both the knees to one side, then another side. One side, another side, one side, another side. Keep going. Very good. Last 30 seconds. Keep going. And relax. Now stay on one side and we'll be stretching our frontal hip by bending forward and hold here for 30 seconds. Let's start. If it is possible for you to go full down and put your head down, you can do that as well. Relax. Let's hold on another side. Start. relax. Now again, drop your knees to one side. We'll be doing internal and external rotation for our hips. You can keep both the hands at the front and you have to press the frontal thigh by pushing into the ground basically. Okay, so press or push the frontal thigh into the ground and then take the back leg up and down. You can do it without support as well, like I'm showing, or you can do with support by keeping your hands either here or here. If your knee is paining while doing this, don't take it very much down. Just take it halfway like this. Else you can go full down. Last 10, 9, 8, 7. This area, the hip flexor is externally rotating when we are taking the leg up. 3, 2, and 1. We'll first do internal rotation of this leg and then we'll shift on to the other side. For internal rotation, what you have to do, this area means the thigh will remain on the ground and only the lower limb you have to take up like this. Again, if this area of the knee is paining while putting on the ground, you can either put a yoga block here like this, foam yoga block, because it will help in giving some support to the knee. Else you can do it without. Okay, keep going everyone. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, very nice, 2, 1. Let's change this side now and let's start with external rotation first. Pressing the front thigh into the ground. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Let's start with internal rotation now. Start. And relax. Next one is for our hip strengthening as well as mobility. So what you have to do is take one leg up, take it down, don't touch it on the ground, take it side, back, then down. Okay, up, down, but don't touch it on the ground. Take it to the side, back, and then down. Up, down, side, back, full down. Up, down, side, back, full down. Let's do it. Last 10, 9. You can do it at your own speed, that's fine. 8. If you are someone having lower back issues, you can take support like this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Let's change the side. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one that we are doing is lizard pose, hold. Okay, this might not be very easy for everyone. So what you have to do is don't put the forearms on the ground. So we're going to come into a mountain pose. Take the legs outside both the hands. So I'll show with this view. If these are your hands, then your foot is like this. So outside both the hands, and we have to push our hips down. Put your leg down if you are comfortable. If you're not comfortable, that's fine. And just hold here. This will stretch the front hip and the back quad. If it is possible for you to put the forearms on the ground, then put the forearms and hold here. Let's start. 30 seconds. And slowly up. Either you can go to mountain to change the leg, or you can go from tabletop itself. Take the other leg at the front and let's start. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and from here only, take your hips back and just rest in this position if it is okay for you. You all did really great and I'm super proud of you. I hope this helped and your hips are feeling less tighter and more relaxed. Love you all. See you in the next video.